I'm Martin Wahl. I'm a Principal Program Manager at Microsoft. I work in the Windows Azure Media Services Group. So Windows Azure is our public cloud platform that businesses are using to run their operations and their processes through. But media services is a very specific function within the Azure cloud, focused on media organizations and building video workflows, streaming content from the cloud out to manners of devices, all the different types of devices that are available, both on demand and live. And that's part of our new exciting platform we're here to talk about. If you're going to launch a new platform, you can't pick a better event to demonstrate capabilities than the Olympic Games, which are, of course, the world's largest sporting event that happens every 2 years. Microsoft Azure was used as the cloud infrastructure to provide live broadcasting of all of the events of the Olympic Games, provided to a variety of different broadcasters around the world. We worked with 5 different broadcasters, providing content to 22 countries, about 10,000 hours of high-definition broadcast content of all the events and highlights of the events, and we work with a variety of partners. The event was quite a success. 18 days, running almost every day of back-to-back footage of high sporting content on all the players, all the different devices that are out in the marketplace today. Really, the goal for Microsoft was to demonstrate the capability of the cloud as a way to bring content from one part of the world to audiences all over the part of the world, and to demonstrate how easy it is, how cost-effective it is for broadcasters or distributors of content to use the cloud for that workflow. We think that's pretty revolutionary. If you're a broadcaster, you know how expensive, how costly in terms of both time and resources, capital expenditures and hardware it takes to spin up a new channel or to host an event and broadcast it live. Using the cloud alleviates you of a significant portion of that hardware cost, of the time. If you think about how long it takes you to spin up a brand new channel, maybe a year and a half it takes to do a major channel, and we can offer you through the cloud within minutes a brand new channel of live event content that reaches an audience of millions that are around the world. So use the cloud as your infrastructure as opposed to building it yourselves. It's cost effective, it's highly scalable. As I mentioned, the Olympics are about as scalable as it gets. But even if you're not of the size of the Olympics, there are live concerts, theater shows, sporting events that happen every day, and we think the cloud is a fantastic way of delivering that content moving forward. Well, I think that clearly broadcasters and other distributors of content are very focused on quality of the signal. They're focused in on the experience that you get as an end user. They're clearly very focused on integrity and reliability. So these are key areas for us at Windows Azure to focus on. The quality has to be top-notch. We're talking broadcast quality. This is very different from, say, an online platform you might get to where people are posting their own videos. This is high-definition 1080p quality that's capable of being viewed on any device that you have, right? It needs to be up all the time, constantly, right, without any outages. The Olympic Games, 18 days of coverage, not a single outage was provided through the infrastructure. And as far as scalability, if I am a content distributor or a broadcaster, I would like the flexibility to try a new piece of content, try a new show, try a new channel, see how it goes, see how it resonates with my audiences, but I don't want to have to pay the penalty of buying a lot of hardware and investing a lot when the audience might not be there. So the ability to scale up when it's popular and scale down when it's not, this kind of flexibility has never really existed in the broadcast space before, and we think that's a really new thing to be able to offer to the broadcast community. We think TV Connect is a really fantastic forum for bringing together different types of parts of the ecosystem, developers, distributors of content, licensors, technology players. It's a great way to meet up with potential partners and customers. We also are very excited that the entire media ecosystem is shifting to be an online, multi-screen environment. And the cloud really helps you build that. Your audiences are shifting away from traditional television sets in the living room to mobile devices that I can walk around with and still view my video content, my sporting content, everywhere I go. So in a year from now, we'd love to be sharing with you about all the different applications that have been built on the cloud and all the different organizations that are benefiting from using it.